Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Akeel Hassan video. Today we are in a Datsun 510SSS, very rare car, even more so rare in the condition that this car is in. The owner has this car over more than 10 years, and generally if you see a car like this, you'd expect this car to have an SR20 or a CA18 DET, but the owner of this car has decided to go a completely different route than anyone would normally go with a Datsun 510SSS. This car has a VQ25DE. V6 engine 2.5. It's just insane the way this car delivers the power in such a small body. It's crazy to think that it actually fits. There's no cutting in the firewall, so it fits quite perfectly. Yeah, these cars are notoriously famous overseas. Yeah, Datsun 510SSS is about as rare as they come.
Remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. Yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
I am Ismail and I own a 1969 Datsun 510SSS. I got the car 10 years ago. It came originally with the L16 SSS motor with the SU carburetors on it, completely bone stock original. I then changed it to side drops and a 280-degree cam, did some head work, port and polish the heads, exhaust and branch, the normal stuff on the motor. After that, changed it out to throttles and fuel injection. The motor still wasn't to what I wanted it to be. I then did a change and I changed it over to a VQ25DE with a 4-speed box. We've got our own masalas and like short ratios in the car. And going forward, there's going to be some upgrades on the car. I just can't say yet. I haven't decided yet. But you know, you're never really done with a project car. It's always improving or maintaining it, etc. Just keeping it to where it is. Interior wise, the car is completely original. Original steering wheel, original dash, everything's original inside the car. It's got a set of mini lights on the outside, the 15-inch mini lights. I've got 280 ZX struts and brakes in front with a 280 ZX alley stuff at the back.